Hi, good day. This is Bala from eliteHRMS. Today we are seeing about that eliteHRMS mini version demo. So now I'm just logging in as a mini user. So I'm just sharing that username and password. Just clicking the login button. Okay, so now we are seeing that dashboard screen. So in the dashboard will provide that information like birthday reminder, anniversary, like a job anniversary reminders, new joiners, manpower summary, and employee count by location, like a graph, and the separation dues. If the employee is separated from the organization and if it falls with the dues, so that information will be comes in the dashboard itself. So HR can easily take a decision according to the dashboard alerts. Okay, so I'm just moving up with HR data one. So HR data is nothing but the creation of master employees will be done here. So I'm just opening that employee details. So from that employee details, so by using that add menu, we can create an employee into the system. So if you want to create an employee single, like a one by one, so we'll pass that employee information of first name, middle name, last name, and date of joining, and location, and gender, and service position, and position status to fill the mandatory column to create an employee. So, or otherwise, if we have information in Excel sheet or spreadsheet, so we can directly upload that information to the system by using that master data upload. So now I'm just moving to the master data upload. So here the process is more simpler. So we can just attach that upload file and we can call that the defined template over here, that upload template. So automatically the columns will be listed over there with the match case. So like we can just load the template and we can select the sheet name and we can directly upload the template into the system. So this template is a user defined one. So you can define the template on your own master data information. So that the skeleton master data informations of the template will be consisting in the download file format. So you can download it and you can just use that upload template. So in the same scenario, like I'm just going to the employee details section. So I'm just extracting one employee information. So inside that employee, we are showing, we are having many tabs over there. So probably like against that employee's informations, we are segregated the tabs over here, like documents, like if any informations will be uploaded in the form of attachments, downloads, like PAN card, address proof, ID proof, passport. So all the informations will be uploaded here. And similarly, like all of us know the statutory part. So we can update that employee statutory information, like who is eligible for PF and what could be the PF state, PAN number, PF number, UAN number, ESA eligibility, and ESA dispensary information. And the employee, if eligible for professional tax and labor welfare fund with the state specific, we can map that professional tax and labor welfare fund here. And benefit details. So you can able to add the bonus applicable and gratuity applicable with the start dates. So the information will be saved against the statutory information which we are providing with the employee details section. So similar to that, the another foremost information is official information. Here we can select that the employees pay more, if it should be an NEFT or check or cash. So if it may be an NEFT, you can just pick the bank and you can provide the bank account number and IFSC code to complete this transaction. So this will be helpful for generating that bank statement at the end of the payroll process. So similar to that, the next tab will provide the salary information. So salary information is nothing but like we can define the pay groups over here. So the pay groups is a combination of employees information with consisting with that the payout cycle may differs, the pay group may differs. Similar to that, if the employees salaries or the calculation may differs, the employee salary remuneration will be differs over here. So we can define the pay information by filling up that employee salary section. So another way around is like it's a new creation of employee salary. So similar to that, we have a upload form. So it is under payroll tab. In that payroll tab, we have a tab called pay element upload. So from this pay element upload, we can just pick the pay group and we can just upload the file name over here and we can upload the sheet and we can map that corresponding columns which we need to upload it over there. So successfully the pay element information will be uploaded in a single shot. So that means like the employees with the pay group is high, and if you are uploading any information should be it's a bulk form, so you can upload it in the form of spreadsheet or Excel. So I'm just moving up with the HR data now with the master data update. So the employee information will able to update it in a single shot by using that upload facility. So as we told, master data upload, we saw it 5 minutes back, and similar to that master data upload, we can also have a template used with the master data upload. The same information will be also updated from the employee perspectives. So all the columns which we see in the employee detail sections will be available over here. So I'm just moving up with that the report part. So this is with that employee detailed report. So the section which we seen in the employee details tab and home page, so we can extract that the same information in the form of spreadsheets. So I'm just click the export to Excel option, and I just downloaded that spreadsheet now. So I'm just opening up the sheet. The information which we filled over there will be listed over here. So like this. So the informations will be comes like this. So similar to that, we can able to download employee detail, personal detail, official detail, visa informations, whatever the tabs which we seen in that employee detail sections, all the tabs will be available over here in the form of reports. Also, we have a report called HR Analytics. So the purpose of HR Analytics is like we can, you can just customize that report on your own. So the column which we seen in the employee master sections will be listed over there with the employee's salary remuneration details, like earnings and deduction part. So you can just pick the columns and you can define the template on your own, and you can just extract that information by selecting that the period and the column informations. So also this is a like a multi-selection filters. So you can able to select multiple information over there, and you can just give the export to Excel to download that information here. So similar to that, we have an employee history and an employee experience report. So you can export that employee's information in the form of experience. So like if you are using a multiple company over there, so automatically the company name will be listed over there. You can switch over the company by selecting the company information here. So now I'm just moving up with the payroll process. So the payroll process is also a simpler one. So probably like the definitions of rules and definitions of the paymasters will be taken care at the time of implementation itself. So implementation is nothing but like the form of pay sheet which is controlled by the particular company will be automated, and the rules will be defined over there. So all arithmetic and logical rules will be defined over there, and we'll do the last month payroll process, and we will do the tally up process. So once it's done, so the rules are set. So now we can able to do that monthly input process. So monthly input process will be able to done it in 2 ways. So one is like updating that information over here, or otherwise like we can have a upload facility from monthly input upload. So we can select that period and select the pay group to upload the same information into that monthly input upload. So once the monthly input process is finalized, so we can able to do the payroll process by clicking the payroll process option, and we can select that pay group name and period, and we'll do the pre-process and process. So end of this payroll process, we can able to generate that reports. So from first one is like a pay sheet. So I'm just extracting the pay sheet from the system. So I'm just picking up the month of March 20, which includes settlement is. I'm just taking that information by department. Oh, okay. So maybe the department it's not be provided with the employees. So I'm just opening up with that March month sheet with include settlement is, and I'm just clicking export to Excel button. So now we are just downloading a pay sheet for the month. So I'm just selecting the pay group and I'm just passing the period and I'm just clicking the include settlement is. So now I'm just giving the export to Excel. So now the pay sheet is downloaded. So I'm just opening the pay sheet one. Yes, I'm just freezing the pants. So it will provide the employee's basic information. So followed with the bank information and pay groups. Okay. So the columns of LOP deduction, month deduction, and fixed elements will come over there. So followed with the earned elements and gross earnings and PF, ASI, PT, and LWF and NP. So now the employees payroll process is completed, and we are seeing the payslip payroll process information from the downloaded Excel sheet. So in the similar form, we can able to generate the payslip from the system. So before that, I'm just going up with the UAN generation. So once the payroll process is finalized, we can able to download the bank statement also. So I'm just going up with March 20, and I'm just clicking the export to Excel button. Oh, there is no new joins, PF UAN generation. So I'm selecting that month of April, just clicking. Oh, okay. And just backing to May 20. So is there any employees joined on the month? Yes, the employees are joined. So I'm just extracting that PF UAN generation document. This is nothing but like employee creation at the time of UAN portal. That means PF portal. So we can upload the same information into the PF portal. Yes. So now I'm just moving up with the PF easier. So we just done the March month payroll. So we can able to upload that PF easier to the system. So I'm just downloading the first easier of Excel form. Yes. So the UAN, employee information, gross wages, EPF, EPS wages, so NCP days. So these informations are there. So this EPS wages will be a configurable one. So we can show that EPS wages, what the information should be shown over there. So I'm just moving up with the ASI ECR. So I'm just picking that March month. So I'm just downloading that Excel form now. Yes. Now we have generated that ESI ECR. So the same ESI ECR will be uploaded to the ESIC site from Excel sheet itself. So now I'm just moving here with the bank statement. So bank statement also, like we can check the pay move and we can just choose that March month because we finalized the payroll one. So yes, we just downloaded the bank statement. So like this, we can create the bank statement with employee code, information, account number, and IFSC code and NP. So that bank statement is downloaded successfully. So we can now able to generate the payslip also. So I'm just selecting that period, March, and choosing the template name. I'm just clicking a print view. So we'll see the payslip is downloaded. Yes, the payslip is downloaded now. So I'm just opening up the payslip format. So the company logo will come and the company information will come. Employees basic information will be listed over here. If it may be a ESI number is available, that ESI is available for the employee, the ESI number will come. So we can show that LOP days, pay days, month days over there. And if you want to show the leave balances, so the option will be available. You can configure the option over here. So similar to that, we'll have that the big remunerated details, and it will provide the fixed values is what, and what could be the actual values is calculated according to that one, and what could be the deduction will take place, and the net pay. So like that, the payslip is generated now. So if you want to send the information into the email, so we can just click the send mail option to send the information into the payslips. So usually like this send mail option will be available only that if you are providing that master data in official email ID column is filled up, so those employees will get that payslips through emailer. Thank you. Good day.